Model, 66-plate Renault Trafic Sport Energy 9-seater factory minibus 1.6 Dci Euro 6 engine knocking needs no VAT. Body, beige, panel van. Mileage, 337,344. MOT, the 20th of December 2025. Engine, 1598 CCR9M 125 Energy E6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knob. Engine will need repairing or replacing grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear seating area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest minibus which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, aircon, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows, sat-nav.